Hello everyone and welcome back to another A to Z of videography, and today we are on the letter Q, which is quick release. Now, a quick release plate is actually something that every single videographer, camera operator, cinematographer, photographer have used in their life. And it's very, very simple. It is when you have a tripod or something like that, and it's actually how you release the camera. That's it. This is a quick release plate, and it is just quickly releasing the camera from the tripod in case you want to transform from having a steady tripod shot to having handheld. So that's really, really easy. There are elements where you can have a easy compatible There are many elements that you can then have cross-compatible quick release plates, so going from a gimbal, for example, onto a tripod to then go onto handheld and stuff like that. So it's a very quick one, quick release video to inform you that we have a little plate like that easily releases our cameras from the tripod, and we can then transform into different positions easily and simply. So quite nice, quick release, utilise, easy. So that's a very short form video this week. That's quick release plates, and that's the A to Z of videography, and I'll see you on the next letter.